yesterday we backfilled all of the basement walls here, and after we got completely done, we're out here looking at it, we discovered a problem. The whole wall, you probably won't be able to tell, but the whole wall got pushed in. There's a big curve in it from one corner all the way to the corner. The whole back wall has a huge curve in it. You can see the cracks from it bulging out. I gotta go back here and dig it all back out again so we can straighten it up. I really don't know if that's gonna show up in the camera or not. So anyway, I'm gonna dig all this back out of here. We're gonna have to build some metal braces or something on the inside and brace it up before we backfill it again. That's our plan. We'll see how it goes. That's how much I dug out, about halfway down the wall, and it has straightened itself back out. So now we gotta put something on the inside to hold the wall, probably a steel structure of some sort, before we go to fill it back in again. It wasn't too big a deal. I don't know, half an hour of digging, 45 minutes, and I was able to get enough out to fix it. So we're just gonna leave it like that until we get that steel structure built inside. I think that's all we can do. Okay, so what I'm gonna be working on today is making some bracing for Austin's basement wall on the back side, the 40-foot long part. We backfilled it in, and it curved in on us about 2 inches, so we dug it back out, it straightened back out. We just need a way to brace it. I'm gonna make these 3 and see how that works, and if we need more, I'll make some more. We're just gonna try this out first though. So I got my earplugs in. What?
What are you working on?
Austin's house out there, it's got that basement in it, and the back wall is a 40-foot span with the dirt up against it. But when we redid the French drain in it, put a new one in it. When we went to backfill it, the whole back wall curved in the center about 2 inches, the whole length of the wall. So I'm making these braces that are gonna go up the wall and attach to the truss and attach to the floor and run up the height of the wall. Something to brace it off. We'll bolt it down to the concrete and then bolt it to the new trusses that we're putting in. And hopefully it'll keep that wall straight. So these are already pre-welded, and they've got about a 1/2 inch 5/8 lip. I got to cut off the bottom of all these so it's flush all the way down. So I got the 3 of these cleaned up real good. They're only about 7 foot tall, so I needed to add some more length to it to make it the right height for his block walls. So I cut a piece off of there. This one, this is the center. Support, I guess you call it support. It was 107.5 to the top of the block, and then you got 1.5 inches for the base plate around the top of the block. 109. Yeah. That's that one. I'll get this tacked together real quick and get the other 2 pieces cut for the other 2 supports. Now I need to cut some reinforcing plates for the splice. Alright, so I found some scraps that I had. These are 2 inches wide. That's 2-inch square tubing. I'm going to use them to splice together to reinforce where I spliced it together. I'm just going to put them on the sides. That'll keep it from bending or pulling away from itself there. It's probably overdoing it, but I'd rather overdo it than underdo it.
So it was 1,300, and then after taxes was 1,500.
1,500 put together?
Yeah.
Built? You didn't have to put anything?
So, and I did the math on it, ordering the same one from Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
It was only like $40 cheaper. So I was like, might as well.
Was it RPS?
Wait till you.
I mean, they'll outgrow it in a couple years anyway, so it doesn't need to last forever. Samuel and yeah, TIRZAH could use it. Yeah.
Well, I was thinking about buying TIRZAH one.
I mean, it's kind of cool for a little 4-wheeler.
I was thinking about getting TIRZAH one anyway, just because.
Chain driven.
So you can have one out for the property, you know.
Look at that gear shift. Forward and backwards makes it easier for the kids. I have to just push down. Huh? That's pretty neat, man. I like it.
It's got all the same basic stuff.
Oh, it's just front brakes, rear brakes. It's got choke down on the carburetor.
The lights are all LEDs.
Light LED lights. It's got reflectors all around it.
The brakes always work even when you're like the lights aren't on.
Oh yeah.
So hit the brake, it comes on.
Huh. Look at that lube. You can put it on that chain.
Yeah. Alright.
Rain doesn't bother you. You have a four-wheeler, huh?
You remember how to start it?
No. Hey, Judah, I have some bubbles down at the house. If
Turn the
you
key on.
Want to play with them?
Turn the key on. Okay.
Judah can
Now
go play
turn
with
it on.
my bubbles inside.
Yep. Now push the brake. Now
Judah,
start it.
so Judah, I have some bubbles.
Push the button.
Judah can play with. This is a very nice thread.
You're good. Go ahead. Man, I remember our first four-wheeler. It was awesome. Can you pull it back up over here where it was?
Probably have to go inside and take a bath.
You guys need to go take a bath, yeah.
My mom always lets us.
That's part of riding four-wheelers though, right?
Yeah.
Look at you guys. Come here. Look at you guys. You're covered in mud.
We did a lot of the water.
It's just water. It's because it's raining. You didn't go over on my land over there, did you? Maybe next time when it ain't raining, it ain't cold.
What's that?
Go get dried out. Get some dry clothes on.
I'm really excited. We're taking a bath together.
You guys are going to take a bath? Might not be a bad idea. Okay, here we are. These are the braces are all put together. I haven't finished welding them up or anything. I'm going to solid weld around all of this stuff. No cutting any corners on this. Might as well do it right. Do that and then get it all cleaned up and put some primer on this so they can paint it later. I think it's going to be okay. I think it's going to work. 2-inch square tubing all the way around. This is all, it's all at least 1/4 inch. Well, I take that back, except that. It's almost all 1/4 inch, but that's just a plate that's gonna bolt to the bottom of the floor trusses to hold the top in place. And Austin told me not to cut these gussets out on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and put it in, and if he decides he doesn't like it, then we'll cut them off after the fact. I think these will be strong enough to hold the wall straight, keep the ground pushed back, I hope. If not, we will just make some more. So anyway, I'm just going to do a bunch of welding now. And we should be done with these. Oh, wait, no, I didn't drill the holes in the bottom yet. I'm just going to have to do that by hand. So I have to drill two or three bolt holes in the bottom. Yeah, I think I got them all done. They're all welded up anyway. I'm going to put a coat of primer on all this. I think they look all right. Hopefully they'll hold up that block wall, keep it from caving in. Put some primer on it. Oh yeah, still gotta drill the holes in the bottom. And then go put them in.